Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make all text uppercase in your Canva designs. So if you have a design that has a lot of text and you want all of them to be uppercase, there is an easy way to do it. So of course you can use caps lock on your computer and rewrite all text, but there is an easier solution to make all text uppercase. And all you have to do is select the text you want to make uppercase, and then in this top bar you will see this uppercase icon, and if you click on this one, as you can see, it has automatically turned or changed the complete text uppercase. So all text characters have been made uppercase. If you change your mind and you want to make this lowercase again, just click on this uppercase icon again and it will make the text lowercase again. But all in all, this is how you can make all text in Canva uppercase.
Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.